Hello. Okay, I'm back to work on Project Dungeon. Um, I have quite a lot of tasks to do, but I think I would like to focus on the global message pass. Yeah, I think I would like to do that. Oh, hey Hannah, how's it going? How goes your day at work? Did you enjoy it? Yeah, that's a long list, right? Let me look at it again. There's a lot of stuff. So this tool I need for collision because it's going to describe what object can collide with what objects. So yeah, but I've been pushing it off. This global message bus is just to make things a little cleaner, make my code a little more manageable, which I'm going to work on. So I'm going to put it up. Hmm. Why can't I paste? Weird. Okay. Global. What? Hang on. Okay, global message bus. Working from home today, that's nice. Yeah, I worked from home today too. And then I got knocked out for like the late afternoon, a few hours. I'm still feeling a bit woozy. So yeah, not very eventful day for me. Let's see. I have sprite lighting that I have to do, hit pause, a few things. Quite a few things. Right, and I still have to work on this before I can have a proper functioning game. Look at this, dungeon generation. So many things to do, goodness. Yeah. Always nice to have a good rest. Does it mean that I'll stay at like 3? Maybe. Hard to say. Hard to say. Quite possibly, yeah. I don't think I can sleep early today. So now I haven't really prepare like what I'm going to write for the stream. So I need to organize my thoughts. I want to work on the global message bus. Um, mm, Let me think. Oh, I guess we can call it events. Mm. Oh yeah, and I can afford to sleep late today because there's no class tomorrow. Event like item break, I think. Item break. Let me think. What kind of events can there be? Right, heat impact. Uh, right, and then maybe I have like the sound manager that will listen to this event, right? It will react to this event. Right, it will react to this event. Right, debris handler or whatever we call it. This will handle this event. How should I properly do this? I'll just code whatever comes to mind, and hopefully I don't have to worry about refactoring too much. Let's see. Do you still have like a start of day and an end of day meeting despite working from home? Message bus. Not at all. Ooh, that's nice. Message bus. Should it just be a script or should it be an object? Object is fine. Let me see. Let me think. Object. I think I'll write it as an object. Two legs. Object bus. No. Script. Okay. Message bus. Message bus. Create the script. It's nice to be a little lax. Let me see. Take a look at this. Okay. Hello. Hello, Guan Yu. Wow, so you spent the rest of the day working on your shared FSMA? That's cool. Let's see. Was it fun? I'm sure you liked it, eh? Shark FSM was tedious. We are missing out the message passing portion, right? Yeah, finite state machine. So today Guan Yu went through the finite state machine lesson. Daniel, how are you? Sorry, yeah, I'm still like trying to get my engine started. I'm just I'm doing more of a looking at code rather than typing it. Okay. Notify. Did I watch anime? I haven't resumed watching it since we last talked. Yeah, it's a little bit more difficult to find the time these days. Uh, Anime. Is there any good ones? Is there any good ones? I've yet to caught up on Doro. Stopped at episode 4. Oh yeah. I'm trying to do a message passing system that or basically a global message bus which we employed in Space Jack, but now I'm trying to do it in Game Maker. I'm writing this without planning beforehand, so I'm going to take a while to think through this. The usual, basically. I'll write and then I will hate it later and then I will change it. You can create class like in GML. They call it struct. Basically, it's what I'm doing here. Right. So these are your data members, right? These are the members. Member variables. Daniel, this season, yeah. Is there any for this season? Is there any like really interesting ones? So for example, the librarian one I kind of like. Right? What's the bookworm one? Yeah, I forgot the name of it. That bookworm anime is quite nice. $38 new show. What the hell? 38? So many. I wouldn't have time to watch any of too many of them. Oh yeah, the Isekai one. The Isekai one where she create books. Yeah, that was quite nice. I feel. Ascendance of a Bookworm. Yeah, that one. That one. So anyway, yes, Guan Yu. In fact, I showed you last time, right? Using my FSN struct or class or however you want to call it. So you can see that this is this is the name of the struct, right? And then these are the data members, including this one. And then you can create methods as well. So as you can see, my state, right, has a name, has the enter callback function, the update and the exit. So the inner states basically, right? There's a change state. My switching between state is triggered by a predicate that you have to pass in to the FSM as well. So you define the trigger. Then there's the update that you have to keep calling update so that it will be updating the correct state, and so on and so forth. So yeah, you can write something like a class in GameMaker now. But it has to be version 2.3 and above. If you're interested, you can check it out. It's quite nice. Jujutsu Kaisen. Talentless Nana. Oh, Talentless Nana can be watched free on YouTube, right? That's nice. I think I saw it on YouTube. Kami-sama ni natta hi Majo no tabi tabi. There's a lot of fantasy stuff. The craze is still alive. Attach. This one. I should clean it up properly. Kami-sama. The one that I was pretty excited about previously was Orega Ilu, right? I quite like the first 2 seasons. The third season was a bit harder to follow for me. I think too much time has passed between the second season and the third season. I think too much time has passed. But you know, by that point, I'm just watching for the characters. Right, I like the characters. DS list subscriber. I'm going to add the instance in there during episode 1. Yeah, it'd be like, oh, where are we, right? Like, where do we last left off? What is find index? Find index. I think it's. Let me check. Publisher listener event. I'm probably just going to write one, right? I don't have to worry about implementing an interface for GameMaker, right? So I'm just going to assume. Let me think. Wait, let me think. Let me think. There isn't really a way to enforce an interface, right? Is there? Let me think. In GameMaker. Maybe there is. I just need to read it up. Publisher, listener, and event. Right. I'm not going to write a class for the event. I don't think I have to do that. It will just be an enum, right? Basically a number representing the event itself, followed by a few parameters which hopefully I can pass around as a lightweight object. Yeah, so I'm thinking of trying that, but I'm not entirely sure yet. As I've mentioned, right, I haven't planned this out, so I will have to think about it as I go along. Find index. So since you have implemented the observer pattern, tell me more. What have you used it for? Find index. Oh, wait a second. What happened to my previously GIF? Let me check. GIF. Come on. No wonder I felt like something was missing. Oh, there we go. You know what? Face cam is not working also. Let me just... Oh, there we go. Haven't test. Haven't test. Okay, okay. You have plenty of chance to put it to good use, I guess. Okay, what happens if I cannot find the thing? -1 will be returned. Good. -1. Yeah! Do you like the head tilt? So the observer pattern essentially is just like callbacks, right? It's just a whole bunch of callbacks that you call when something happens. Let's see. Okay, if index is not equals to -1, object found. I remove it from the list. How do I remove again? No, delete. Yes. Attach. Wait, what did Daniel recommended again? Majo no tabi bito. Tabi. Okay. Destroy, detach, attach, notify. Kino no Tabi was good, yeah. I like the first adaptation by oh damn, I forgot. I like the old one. The new one I stopped watching halfway. Because I realized that it's almost the same content. Yeah, I like the old one. Each episode has their own story, yeah. There was this one. There was this particular episode, I suppose, where she ventured into an area where a murder is supposedly legal, right? I thought that one was kind of interesting. Oh, I haven't thought this through. How do I write this? Okay. Let me think. Like the purge. Not exactly, right? There isn't any purge. It's just that you would think that it would be a lawless place, but it turns out that the resident of that town only they only murder in self-defense or something like that, right? They kill the deplorable people or something like that. Something like that. I can't really remember. But I did not see that coming at first. Yeah. Because the moment she entered the town, right, everyone is actually apparently very nice. right? It's only when a bad guy came in, right? And then the whole town turned on the bad guy. Can I? How do I? You know what? Maybe I need a. Maybe I do need a struct for mess. Let me think. Let me think. The message, maybe? It's the one where she talks to an old dude at the cafe. Yeah, that one, yes. That one. Did you watch like both adaptation or just the more recent one? Because there are two of them. Also, her bike can talk to her, right? Is it something like that? The new one or not actually? Oh, I see. No, the old one is really old, I think. Could have been, yeah. I thought that was a pretty interesting show. I didn't fully watch the second adaptation though. Mm. Was it adapted by Madhouse? I think it could have been the very first one. I think. Is it? Oh, cannot remember. Oh, what is this? There's a built-in message variable. What is this? What is this? What is this? Why did he bring me here? Don't get it. Okay. Ow! Hang on. The bike can talk. Yeah. Good times. Message. Mm. 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 Oops. No one, not none. Notify, blah blah blah. I should have planned this beforehand. Let's see. Don't even know how to do this properly. Okay. DSQ on queue. Event and message. So I suppose I have to. Well, I suppose I can do this. Call it event. Message. Message which would be the message should be the lightweight object, I think. I'm not entirely fully familiar with how to work with this yet. But I can always look up the documentation and see. New Message. Hang on, do I have to call free? Huh? I cannot remember. Let me see. Shrug. Forbidden variables, okay. That's a delete, okay. To call delete. But there's garbage collection as well. Okay, okay, got it. There's garbage collection as well. Is it? What this means is that you can call the delete operator. Wait, okay. You can call the delete operator along with the variable that holds the struct. And it will remove specific reference to the struct stored in the given variable. Oh, okay, guess I have to take care of the memory. Hang on, am I calling? And do I handle the deletion? Let me see. Delete her box. Okay, good. I did take care of the memory management. Did I? FSM, let me check. Player. FSM. New input buffer. Let's destroy. Got it. Didn't do proper cleaning up. What else? FSM. Right, I have to call this, right? Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me see if I can run this. It should be fine. Right, everything seems to be working correctly, yeah? Okay, still got it. Sorry, got distracted a little bit. I just realized I didn't properly clean up some of my some of the references. I do wonder though, like if I change the scene, right? Does it mean that the references are gone? Would the garbage collection work properly? Must I call delete? Update. Update will go through the list. Description goes through each event in the queue. Okay. Message and message bus. Okay, let me think. Subscriber. How do I enforce that the subscriber has a particular function that I can call? Can I do this? No, not this. Can I do this? Would this work? If a particular function is not defined, I will throw an error. Would this work? Maybe? Maybe. Maybe. How to mix interface in GML? I don't think you can do that for objects though. Oh, but maybe with a parent, yeah? Maybe with a parent. Nah, it's a lot of... Don't want to overuse the parenting. Let me see, where am I? Object, characters... For base character. Let me think. It's okay, I'll stick to this for now. I'll stick to this. Okay. Update. Okay, come on. Tell me documentation. How do I go through a queue? DQ, right? Well, not empty. Okay, got it. Thanks. It's a message. Oh, Guan, you don't forget to make the GIF, yeah? For palette. Okay, let's see. Did you forget? No worries. Notify. Notify. Notify seems like a rather. Seems like a rather misleading name, right? Notify. Am I notifying? Message object. Should probably test it out somewhere. Let me think. Q. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Let me see. Attach, subscribe. Can it be like we subscribe to an event? Would that work better? Subscribe to an event. But I have to rethink how I should store this. This. So this will have to be different then, right? Subscriber probably should not be a list. Let me think. Let me think. Okay. Oh hey! Woof! Hey! Hello! How's it going? Yeah, I'm using Game Maker. I can show you what I have. Let me run it. Oh, I'm trying to make a dungeon crawling brawler, which is still very early in development. I don't really have gameplay yet, but I can show you what I have. So I have some basic, room generation. I did some. Hang on, I did some 3D lighting, so I can create some 3D lighting here, and that's my character. So the fun thing about working on this project is that I get to test out a relatively new feature in Game Maker, which is the sequence. So in sequence, I realized that we can actually do the attack animation, right? And then we can define the position of the hitboxes as well, which was exciting for me because this would have been a pain to do outside of the editor, but now that the editor allows for that, it's exciting to try it out. So then I get to do stuff like this. Yeah, but it's still very early in development, right? Previously, I worked on some basic functionality for hitbox to hitbox collision test, so I can like break stuff. Yeah, but at the moment that's all I have. Yeah, I don't really have gameplay yet. Thanks. Are those real-time shadows? Well, real-time shadow. Well, the shadows themselves are fake. So basically, I am just taking my sprite, drawing it onto a surface, and then no, inverting it and blending it over the floor. Yeah, but I did spend some time trying to figure out how to change the orientation of the shadow based on the closest light source. Yeah, it was fun to work on that as well because then the orientation is actually dependent on how close I am to all of the lights. So it's a what's the word for it? So I am actually there is a invisible position, right, that determines the orientation of the shadow, and that position is the very center of all three lights here. Yeah. Then I apply to the other objects as well. Thank you. Yeah. But after working on this, I realized that there's so many things, so many features that I have to work on. It's been a month and I still don't have gameplay. Yeah, so I'm just doing it slowly. Hopefully it will come together. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Kodapu. Thanks. Yeah, the animation, I kind of based it off. I'm not sure if you have played Mega Man Zero. Uh, there's this three hit attack sequence that like kind of borrowed. Yeah, I love that game. It's so nice. Oh yeah, Game Maker is pretty fun to use. Especially for 2D games. Yeah, I quite liked it. I like that. I like that everything they expose to you is very easy to get into. Like for example, if you know shader, right? Then you can just write your shader in GLSL and then just use it with a single line, right? Like a shader set or something like that. Yeah. Eh, See, yeah. Hmm. At the moment, I'm just trying to make my code a little bit more elegant, right? I'm trying to come up with some message passing system, a global message bus rather. Yeah. So that in future, I can have like various systems. I can have a sound manager or FX manager that look at the event and do the appropriate stuff instead of calling the audio playing function everywhere and then running into problem when I need to somehow modify all of the audio in runtime. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. To be frank, with addition, the latest addition to GameMaker, which is the GML itself, right, it allows us to write our own data structure, so we can finally create our own struct. But there's still a lot about it that I'm trying to get used to or trying to learn. Hey, thanks for the follow, Chris. Let's see, notify. Hmm. Let's see. Yes. Fine. Wait, I have to read through this again. Okay. If I cannot find them, what do I get? Uh, okay. Okay. Axis. if it does not exist. No, hang on. No, let me see. I hope I can do this. Okay. Okay. No, it's wrong. Oops. Wait, how should I do this? Okay. List written like this, I think. No. Okay. ds list. Remove. No. Find the index. Okay. subscribe instance from event. ID is this one. Okay, then the next part is to worry about how to do proper cleanup. How do I clean up a map with lists in it? Yeah, how do I do that? Find first. Dude, wait. I have no idea if Game Maker will automatically clean out everything. No, I'll just do it manually for now. Wait, let me try to take a look at the menu. Okay. DS find next. Find next. Find next. Okay. If no such key exists, then it will return undefined. If no such key exists. Guess I'll do this. Size. It's a key. Okay. Hey, hello! Great to see you. Hang on. Can I just call you? Okay, Kalazor. I'm sorry for always butchering our name. Now, how's it going? How's it going? It's a bit of a problem. What happened? Yeah, it's because my face cam isn't really working. Just look at me, my face is not moving. So I just put this up. It's weird. It's weird. I think it has something to do with the lighting in my room. Sometimes it helps if I take off my glasses. So if I take off my glasses, okay, it's not working. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, but the moment I put it on, right, the camera will fail again relatively soon. Oh, for now it works. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So I've taken it off for the face recognition to kick in, and then I put my specs back on. Yeah, but it doesn't take much for the program to lose track of my face again. Hilarious technology, am I right? Yeah, so sometimes I just bring up the static image if the face recognition keeps failing. I'm just trying to do some code for cleaning up, and I have no idea. I have no idea if I have a map. If I have a map of leaves, I have no idea if the cleaning up would would be problematic, right? If I were to just do a map destroy, would the memory for the list be freed as well? Right, I'm not entirely sure if GameMaker does that, so I'm trying to do it manually at the moment. It would be nice if they do it automatically. DS list destroy. There we go. Then I have to find next ds map find next, which is this, followed by the current key, I think. Yes. Clean up list in map. Lists with an S. Hey, why is it event queue? Goodness, I used the wrong one. Subscribers. Okay. Looks about right. No, not yet. Clean up the map as well. Then clean up. Then free memory of map. Okay. Okay. Destroy, update. Notify would be the event itself followed by the parameters. Okay. Wait a second, let me think. I can just do this outside, right? Or maybe not. No, let's not do that. Okay. So then now comes this part. Go through each event in the event queue. Right, so at the end of the day, I want to free the memory here. Okay. Message object. How do I do this? Event parameters. Think. Event. Oh, okay. Can I do this? Event and parameters. Invoke callback in each. I'm not even sure if I'm using the subscriber term correctly, but I'll assume that I am. And then get the size list, oops, ds list size. Come on, autocomplete, don't fail me now. Wait a second, is that a bug? Why is it? Why is my box so small and it's here? That's weird. Okay, there we go. That's a weird bug. Okay. I equals to 0, I lesser than size, plus plus I. Okay, list. List dot on event. Oh, really hope I can do this. Okay. On event should take in the parameters. Parameters. So my hope is that I can pass around parameters tied to an event in a lightweight object, in a struct basically. But I haven't worked a lot with the struct in GML, so I'm hoping I can do this. Passing struct into functions should be fine, I hope. Okay. Let me just look through this. Did I make any mistakes? Event queue. I have a subscriber, which is basically an event to subscriber list pairing. Notify. Essentially just broadcasting an event with parameters tied to it. Okay. Subscribe, unsubscribe. Okay, I think I need to test this. Test. What's my... Let me check. Test. Why do I have pods in my test room? Go to next. What is this? I can't read this. What is this? Okay, yeah, delete this. Okay. I cannot delete it from here. What? Never mind. What is up with the display? What is this? It's test. Oh, test. edit object. What is this? Why is this? Oh, this is the test for the hitbox. Got it. I was testing the hitbox. Guess I can remove this now. Let's write something else. Let me just write a whole bunch of. Let me have a folder for the testing stuff, and then I can throw that away when I don't need it. Okay. Test. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is not the zooming in I want. Okay, hang on. Close this, go back here. There we go. How do I ensure that this is created before this? I know. This is test, right? Okay. Test object just have to be after. Got it. Okay. How do I use it? Message pass. Instance would be this, followed by event, right? Oh, at the moment I'm working on Project Dungeon actually. Yeah, I'm trying to work on a global message bus. Like basically, I'm just how do I put it? I want to make it such that oh hey, thanks for the follow. I want to make it such that I can properly implement so let me think. How do I put this? How do I put this? I want to keep my code a little bit more elegant and more scalable. Um, by implementing systems, right, to handle a specific aspect of the game. So for instance, uh, uh, suppose an event happened in the game, like a heat impact happened, then an event will be broadcasted, and the sound manager will listen to the event and play the appropriate sound, and the effects manager will listen to the event and spawn the appropriate effect. That is the goal. Yeah, so I'm trying that out, and hopefully that will work out okay. Yeah, the goal is so that I don't go around, calling the audio functions everywhere in every object, and then having a hard time when I need to make some changes to all of them. At least that's the goal, yeah. So I hope that will work out. Modular, yeah, that's the word, right? Oh, hey, thanks for the follow, Ragnarok. Yeah, I'm just chilling and working on the message system in my game. Right, yeah. Yeah, rather than hard coding and repeating code. I think I've been doing that a bit too much because like every project I go through, I'll be like, you know what, this project is small enough, I don't have to spend so much time thinking about the architecture. Uh, that's the attitude I went with, and sometimes I regret thinking that way because when I have to go back to the project a few months later, right, and to make some changes, it's a bit painful. Yeah. So this time round, hopefully I can do it a bit more nicely. Oh, RPG Maker dev. I love to know more. How's RPG Maker like? Very customizable. That's cool. RPG Maker is easy and efficient, but it has limitations. Ah, right. But if you are making a game of a specific style, then I imagine RPG Maker would be extremely fast to work with. What do they what kind of what do they provide though? Like I imagine they have some very robust menu system, right? Some UI system. Because Game Maker has none of that. Game Maker has no built-in UI systems. So that is one thing that's sorely missing. You can get easy things done like text display, right? Text display menu, oh, that's so nice. Character creator, wow. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Ah, I think each engine each engine has their own strength. Yeah. One particular thing that pains me a bit when using Game Maker is the fact that stuff like buttons, right? I have to implement it from scratch. There isn't anything that there isn't a UI system that allows me to anchor a UI element to the side of the screen, so I have to do all that calculation myself as well. which always takes me a long time, right? UI for me is a bit of a pain to code. Although I'm sure other developers have like devised their own way to work around it. Test object. Oh hey, have fun, man. Have fun. Search bar, subscribe. I'm not even sure if I'm using the proper technical term with all of this, right? I just name it however. Message bars, subscribe. Okay. Oops. Okay. What else do I need to call? Update. Yes, update is what I need to call. Call it in end step. A? Oh, okay, there we go. Update. Is that it? Alright, okay, so if I didn't implement this, right, it should throw an error. Let me try. Eh? Wait, I'm not in the right room. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot that I have to change the room order here instead of down there. That's one of the latest change they made. Okay, let me try again. Facecam. It's not working again. Okay, let's see. Oops, this is not the error I'm supposed to get. What is this? On event not set before reading it. Yeah, okay, that's the one. That's the one. So apparently I cannot even do this dot on event. I have to think about a nicer way of detecting whether on event is set or not. Let me check. Let me look up online. Game maker. Check if variable exists. There we go. Is this expensive to call? Well, I guess it's fine, right? It's not like I'm spamming this function. It has to be defined as a string. Okay. Fine. Oh, if an instance exists? Oh no, I'm not checking for the instance itself. I'm checking if a variable exists within the instance. Yeah. Because the thing is, I want to enforce. So for example, if an object is to subscribe to the message bus, then when an event happens, the message bus must find a way to notify the object. So what I'm trying to do is the notification will be done through a callback function. But if the object themselves don't have this particular function implemented, then I will throw an error. Yeah, so now I need to find a way to detect if this particular variable exists within the object itself. Or I can figure out some other ways of of enforcing an interface, I imagine. But I think I'll do it like this for now. Can I do it like this? If it exists and it is not undefined, then I will do this. Wait, and it is undefined. Wait. If it does not exist, or so if it does not exist, I throw this. Or if it exists but it's undefined, I will throw the error as well. Okay. Is that it? Error on event callback function not implemented. Yeah, okay. Okay, now that I have this here, in the future I can think about how to handle this. But the idea is that this thing shouldn't even happen when the game is running. Okay, let's see. Test object, test. Okay, so it's on event. Right, I think I can do this. Let me just write something in here. Hello, something like that. If I do this, then it should not crash. Then afterwards, I just need to find out how to do the notify function. Okay, no crashing. Okay, notify. I will do some notification upon mouse click. Right mouse click, let's try that. Right mouse pressed. Global.message bars dot notify. The event that I have is here. If I right click, it will return test1, I imagine. Okay, message is yeah, this is the thing that I'm not sure about. Like, can I pass an object in like this? Text. Can I do it like this? Is my syntax correct? Hello world. I hope my syntax is correct. Well, only one way to find out. Let's run it and see if it gives me problem. Oh, at least it compiles. Okay, it compiles. So this is compilable syntax. Now, am I able to retrieve this information? That's the question. I suppose at some point I have to think about whether this is expensive or not, right? To create objects like this. Hopefully not. Okay. Notify test1. Then I feel like this is okay. This is supposed to be hang on. It's supposed to be Okay, something like this. Event. Event. I will print out the type of event followed by the message itself. Content. Is this correct? I hope it is. Content. Content string. No, event dot. Okay, I forgot what it is supposed to be called. Event dot what? Parameters. Is my name correct? Oh, it's fine. Parameters dot text. Can I even do this? If I cannot do this, then what's my option? Well, let's run it. Let's run it. I hope I can do this. Click. Okay, nothing happened. Wonderful. Nothing happened. But why? Oh wait, I left click. Oh. Okay, right click please. Right click. Oh, okay. Okay. Crash. Not set before reading it. Not set before reading it. Where is this crash? Here. Okay, I think I'm using the wrong syntax in line 73 of message bus. Line 73. Wrong syntax. I forgot this. Okay. Wait, but is that the problem? We shall see. Ah, gosh. Okay, so this is still problematic. Event cannot be accessed from the message object. Let me see, how do I queue the object? On queue, I do this. So, new message. Hang on. I'll just call it event maybe. Time to change the naming. Okay, so it's just this one. Wait, why is it? Is it supposed to be red color? Is this supposed to be red color? You know what? I don't feel comfortable using this name. Hang on, let me just change it back. What's the syntax for when I have two same name? Is it like this? This? Can I do this? Oh, never mind. Let me do this instead. Okay. I cannot remember the syntax. Okay. Please work. No. Again. EVT event not set before reading it. What's wrong? Test object create. Okay. Okay. Can I not pass a shrug in? No, I should be able to do that. Might have to read the documentation in a bit. So this was the one that was giving me problem. Really? Really? Will the second line also give me problem then? Goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Parameters dot text. Yeah, I cannot do that. Yes, I'm a Shiba. Yeah, I need to read the manual. Manual, please. Right, let me check out the shrug. So I went, like, I'm trying to pass the parameters of an event, right, via a lightweight object. I think it's done like this, but I'm not super sure. So let me read this. Right, this seems about right so far. Can I pass this into a function? Come on, come on. Tell me. Another way to access data in the struct is using the with function. Oh, interesting. Okay. It should be fine, I think. Yeah, I just went with it because I used to work with another language which was Hex. Yeah. In Hex I can do things like this. I was hoping that I can do it in GameMaker too. I think I can, but I must have made some careless mistake somewhere. I must have made a mistake somewhere. Let me check. I am extremely prone to careless mistakes. Notify. It seems okay. On queue, I return the shrug. Let me look this up. Ooh, I might be spending a significant amount of time just debugging this. Right, this seems fine, right? This seems fine. Okay, what if I just keep it simple first? Let me just keep it simple. Right? It's what if it's just, just a string, right? No worries about anything else, just a string. And then, not that I'm a fan of passing string around, but let me just try this first. Then. Oh, okay, I see my mistake. Yup, that was super careless of me. I'm supposed to pass everything in like this. Why am I so careless? Okay, Wait, what did I change earlier? I need to change it back. Test. This one, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay, like this. On event function, blah blah blah. Thank you so much, Vagabond Dog, for your kind words. Thanks for the encouragement. Okay, let me just figure this one out. Okay, did I? Okay, I brought this back. So let's run it. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so... Okay, I can't zoom in on this, but I got the event, which is event 0. Event 0 is correct because the value of test 1 is 0, right? And I got the content. And it is nice that I can just... Hang on. I can just pass data in such a manner. Let me see if I can, just do more stuff with it. What else can I have? I don't know, like HP, right? 100. Oops. Right, I can do that, I think. So perhaps in the future, when the hitbox register, I can have something like, I don't know, damage amount, and then depending on the damage amount, I can vary the size of my effect, right? Perhaps. That would be nice. That would be nice. Let me print this out. So this is text, and this is damage. Then this would be, yeah, okay. And this wouldn't work. I need to convert it to string first. Okay. Wait, let me try. If this works, then I will. Wait, I have to test it with a few more objects. Test it with a few more objects first. Oh, nice. Okay, the data is there. Okay, good. Wait, let me click a few more times. Okay. Yes. Each time I click, I get the event. Okay, good. It's working. It's working. But I need a better way of testing it. Let me create the name variable. mName. Set it to default first. And then in not this room, this room. Let me get rid of this test object. Oh, sweet, I cannot delete it from here. Okay, delete. Then I will create it dynamically here. No, not here. Here. So this is where I make test objects. Oops, can't spell. Test objects. Let's make how many of them? 3 of them. Let's make 3 of them. And what I need to do is instance create 0 0 is fine. Okay. Wait, I need to do this with then name. The name of the object would be dependent on test object plus I. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Okay. What else? Wait, it's not name, it's m name. Oh goodness, I forgot my own naming convention. Okay. Then subscribe. Yeah, okay. Then what I do is instead of like forcing every single instance of test object to subscribe to a particular event, I'll just do it here. So subscribe. So you are test1. Oh, let me just do a hacky way of doing this. If it is 0, I will... Wait, no, hang on. How many events do I have? 0, 1, 2. Each object will subscribe to its own event, so I will just pass the integer value in here. Alright. 0 would be test1. Is it test1? Yes. 1 would be test2 and so on and so forth. Yes. I can also wait, can I is there any other things? No, this is fine. Okay. What I do next is let's have a few global input events. Mouse, let me get mouse global left, not down, sorry. Left press. Mouse global left pressed. Yes. So if it's left click, instead of triggering test1, I trigger test2. I put 200 here. And then, I don't know, instead of hello, I say greetings. Stranger. Okay. Then I need the third one. Mouse global middle pressed. So this one will listen to the third event, and then I need another text. Rubbish. Okay, there we go. 300. So I have 3 objects. Each one will listen to a specific event. Each one has a different name. So let me just try to remember. Test. Oh, okay. So test 0 will listen to test 1, and so on and so forth. Okay, you know what? I'm so confused. Let me just change the name. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. So that way it should be easier to keep track of. So if I do a left click, it should say test object 1, right? Left click is test object 1. Okay. Left click, test object. So event also, you know what? I forgot the name. Let me go back in here. object name, m name, okay, I got it. Test object 1 followed by middle mouse click is test object 2, right mouse click is test object 0. And it says hello world, greeting stranger, and some rubbish in here. Oh, okay, yeah, I think I got it. Oh, thank goodness. I think I got it. I think I got it. So now I have a new class that I can reuse. Let's see. So I have an event struct, which essentially just holds a variable to indicate what indicate what event got sent, got broadcasted, and it also stores the information tied to that event. So if it is an event that is, if it is a hit event, right, then a player hit an enemy, then parameters could be the damage amount, the type of weapon, perhaps, right, maybe the material of the weapon. So depending on the material, I can play a different sound. Right, and then I have a message bus. The message bus is basically just managing all of the different messages that get broadcasted within the frame. So stuff like I have an event queue for anyone that is broadcasting that event. Sorry, I mean the event queue would store all of the events that is broadcasted. Then these are the subscribers, so people who are listening to the event. This is stored differently, right? It's not a queue, but rather it's a map. So what happens is there is a pairing between the event type and the actual objects listening to the event. So that's why it's a map. It's a map between the event and the subscribers. So in each slot of the map is a list, and the list would be all of the subscribers listening to that one event. Okay, so which is why in my subscribe function I have the instance that wants to listen to an event followed by the event itself. Right? Okay. There's an unsubscribe for, well, if I need to unsubscribe. This is for cleaning up, and then essentially the bulk of the work is here, which is at a certain point within my main game loop, I will have to go through all of the events and handle the events. So I basically dequeue the queue, right? Go through each element in the queue, and invoke the callback function, which is called onEvent. And it seems to work. It seems to work. So I'm happy with that. I'm quite happy with that. Let's see. Ooh, it's 1:38. Maybe I will just, before wrapping it up, maybe I'll redraw some of my debris. Let me see. Let me go back to. Let me bring this down. Oh no! Wait! I should make use of this to spawn the debris, right? Let me think. And you know what? I'll do it later. Yeah. I'll do it later. Let's change. Let's have a change of pacing. Yeah, need a change of pacing. So let's see. So I don't really like how I drew the debris last time. It looked a bit not quite fitting for some reason. I should point out that I'm not the trained artist, right? So a lot of times I'm basically just doing trial and error until I hit something that I kind of like. Yeah, I think I need to redraw them. Wait, let me see. I do not like the way they shatter as well. I think they should shatter outwards from a central point. Wait. I think they do already, but when they land, it seems to be a bit random. Yeah, okay, I need to work on that. Let me see. Where's my debris? FX. Pot. I have to refactor this also. But it's okay. Don't have to worry so much about it for now. Whoa, I did not trigger this. Okay. Let me make some changes. When the big fragment lands on the ground, it spawns a small fragment. And I kind of just randomized the velocity. Yeah, maybe that's why it didn't look that nice. The only thing that should be fully randomized would be the height component. This part, this part I need to think about it. Small debris. Slightly spawn the debris higher. Okay, this one, let me rethink this. Think. Hey, okay. Wait, what do I want to do again? I need to pen it down. Debris lands on the ground. I should end up spawning smaller pieces. But at the moment, at the moment, the spawn direction, the velocity, it's not in this particular format, right? Basically, they don't shatter outwards. At the moment, they kinda, after landing, they kinda just go in a random direction. Hey, wait. They kinda just go in a random direction, meaning... wait, let me see. This is the pod. Wait, this is the pod. When it shatters, big pieces come out like this. Right? And then when the big pieces break, I think I would like it to continue moving in that direction. In the direction away from the central point, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. Am I overthinking this? You know what? I think I'm overthinking this. I think I should just redraw the debris and then see how it works. Yeah, okay, so I use Pixel Edit to draw my stuff. Let's see. Yeah, I think I should redraw the debris. How should it look like? I think it is just missing depth. I think. So perhaps it should be like this. Okay, maybe not so dark. Lighter. I want to emphasize I'm not a trained artist. Okay. I think this will look nicer, right, than this. Yeah. Okay. Let me think about where to put the shadow. I'll just, put it like that. That should be fine. Okay. Is it too thick? Might be too thick. Never mind. Okay. Let me draw the big pieces first. Okay. Yeah, I think I can get rid of the old ones. Let me get rid of them. Let's make something that looks a little bit sharper. Right, I believe someone recommended that I make them look like shards. Oops. Like a triangle. Okay. 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 This 1, 2, 3. I think I need one more. I think 4 would be a nice number. Oh no, wait. Poop. I cannot rotate this, right? Oh, I cannot rotate this. Okay, what do I do now? That means I have to render debris in the... I have to render them differently. I have to render them differently. Okay, wait. Let me go back to my project folder. Let me check what I have at the moment. Debris. So these are the debris that I will have to replace. Let me think. Yeah, I have to draw them differently. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to do it the expensive way first, right, without pulling. What I can do is, let me just create more rows. Okay, and then I'll take this. I might have to write a shader just for this. It's a lot more trouble than I was anticipating. Like that, that. Try to centralize it. So I'm doing all this without too much concern for performance just yet, right? I'm just going to create surfaces when I need them, apply effects when I need them, and then if I run into performance problem, then I'll think about optimization. Okay, time to get rid of this. Centralize them. Okay, let me try this 3. Bit debris. You know what? It's okay. I'll just export the whole thing. Pod debris. Sure. Save. Okay. This one. Wait. Where is this? Okay. I need to get rid of all of this. So import strip image. Let me look for my file. Project dungeon. Okay, then I try to remember what is my 20 by 20, got it. 20 by 20. There are 3 of them. 1, 2. 2 cell offset, okay. Okay, now I have 3 different shapes. Okay, I have 3 different shapes now. I have to work out how I should do the rendering. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this M surface. No one. Okay. So I'm going to try out something. Let's see. Draw. If surface does not exist. If surface does not exist, this is where I create the surface. Surface create. That's right. Surface create is what I need. I will reuse the sprite width and height. And just in case it is not positive, I'll do it like this. Absolute value. Okay. Then. Okay. What else do I need to do? Right. I will then set the surface as the target for rendering. After that is done, I will reset. I hope this is not too expensive. I'll reset the target, and then afterwards I draw the target. I draw the surface to the scene. So M surface. But one surface per debris might be a bit expensive, eh? It's okay, I'll wait for it to bite me in the rear. I'll just do it. Just do it first. X and Y, X and Y. Oh, okay. I'll check out your game. Thanks for dropping by. Thank you so much for dropping by. I really, really, really do appreciate it. Sometimes, always monsters. Okay, I'll check that out. Draw surface. Draw surface X and Y. I cannot think. Let me think. Think. Okay, I'll draw it at this spot. But I need to account for the sprite offset. Is it like that? I think it's like that. But you know what? I think there's another part in my code where I do this, so I can check that out. Yeah, pretty much what I did. Okay, awesome. I'll do that. ext x scale image x scale, image y scale, image angle, which I need. For now, I'll set it to white color. Oh, I can't spell white. Oh my goodness. White. And alpha will be set at 1.0. No. Alpha will be set at image alpha. Yes. Just what I need. Draw. No. Let me think. I need an outline. Where's my outline shader? Oh damn! I don't have a shader just for the outline. So I have to. Okay, I have to do it again. Or maybe I can use this. Yeah, I think I can use this character shader for now. I'll use the character shader. Oops, one moment. Shader set. Shader reset. Okay. Sprite draw. Nope, not sprite draw. Let me think. Draw sprite. Draw sprite. Draw sprite. Let me see it. How do I do the rotation again? Image angle, good. Okay. Sprite index. Ooh, look at the time. It's 2 AM. 0 image index followed by X and Y. X and Y? No. No. Should be this. Right? Let me think, Let me think. I can't think without some visualization. So this is my surface. So obviously this will be 0, 0. Let's see. So I cannot draw my sprite at 0, 0 because then it wouldn't be within the surface itself. So I have to shift it to where the sprite offset is. Good. Then I draw this inside the screen itself, right? Which is, this would be the camera view X and the camera view Y. Okay. And then in workspace, this would be X and Y. So, right, then, okay, got it, okay. I think I got it. Image X scale. No, 1. 1, 1. One image alpha. Not alpha, image angle, goodness. That's what happens when you code at 2 AM. This one is 0. Color, I'll just set it to white for now. Alpha, image alpha. Okay. I think this is fine. Let's run this. It's not going to be what I want yet. But I will get there. I will get there. Okay. Look at me, look at this. Forgot my equal sign. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it's supposed to look quite ugly now, right? Oh, okay. Wait this. Oh, oops. Goodness. Hang on. Wait a second. I'm not spawning what I want. Pot debris. It should be just this, and this. Oh, right. Okay, got it. So the outline shader worked. Outline shader worked. What's the outline color? I didn't set it though. If I didn't set the color, what would be the default color? It's weird that it kind of works. Hang on. Let me just do a quick one. I wouldn't even bother caching the uniforms. Shader get get uniform, yes. Shader get uniform. Uniform name would be color followed by sprite dimensions. Okay. Sprite dimensions, really? Hang on. So this should be U color. Yeah, in future I will cache this. I'll cache this and save it in the create event rather than doing it every time I draw. But for now I'll keep it here because I might come back and change it. Okay. Var U sprite dimension. Okay, so I got my uniforms. Then what's going to happen next is I define the outline color. For now I will set it to black. So shader set uniform array. Yes. So it should be. Damn, I cannot remember. Hang on. Let me look up. It's my value normalized. I think it's normalized. Hang on. Goodness. I have a shortcut here. Why didn't I use it? I have a shortcut here. I should use it. No need to cache all this. Whee! Hang on. No need to cache all this. Just do this. Start. Character shader. Outline array 0-0,0,0. Dimensions. Sprite width, sprite height. Do I need to call absolute value on it? I'll just do it first. Okay. Oh yeah, that's correct. Okay. Then and shader. Okay, good. I should start remembering more the functions that I've written. And shader. Yeah. That's what my shader manager is for, right? I should make use of it more. Okay. Okay. It's time to make use of this. It's time to make use of this. Wait, let me run it and see if it's working properly first. Oh, okay, outline shader seems to work. Outline color is a little bit too black though, so it's not that great. I can always change it later, I guess. Hang on, I don't seem to be using the right. Don't seem to be using the right sprite. Is it the right one? I guess so. Let me do a quick test. Quick test. If I delete this two, I keep the triangle, I delete this two, what will happen? Eh? I'm not spawning the right sprites. What, why? Why? Let me clean the project and then run again. Could that be it? It seems so unlikely though. I wonder why. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Where did my phantom debris come from? Items, pots. Debris. Yeah, why? Why? Sprite index. No, image index. Okay, thinking time. Thinking time. Oh. It's so dangerous. I forgot to set the clear color. Draw clear. So it should be black and then transparent. Okay. I think it's that problem. Is it though? Let me check. So if it's correct, it should just all be triangles coming out. Yeah, they're all triangles now. Got it. Let me bring back the other pieces. Do a quick run again. Then I will handle the different layers. Oops. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Draw dark portion of sprite for simulating depth. Okay. Draw top. Okay. Essentially, I'll be doing something like this. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, I suppose. Oh no, plus 2 plus 1. But I need to apply a shader to this. Okay, so I'm just going to call it a solid color shader. Solid color shader will just use this V color and ignore. Let me think. Vector 4 RGB, and then the last one, this one, I will just take the alpha value. I think this is what I need for solid color. So that means I can do a shader set. Shader reset down here. Solid color. Oh my goodness. Solid color. The color, instead of white, it should be something else now. I will hard code the color here first. Make color RGB, and then let me figure out what color this is. So color here is 137, 107, and 58. 137. Sorry, I need calculator for simple math. Oh, binary. Why is it binary? Hang on. Okay, 137 divided by 255, 0.53. 0.53. Sure, why not? 0.53. Wait. I think this is 255. Oh, okay, you know what? I don't need this. 137, 107, 58. 137, 107, 58. There you go. Excellent. Okay, then let's try running it again. Does it look more 3D now? Kinda. Yeah, it looks more 3D. I don't like that the outline is completely black though. Let me figure out what other color I can give it. Maybe this? Yeah, a lighter tone would be nicer, right? So let's see, it's lighter color. 34, 39, 43. $34, 39, 0.13, 39, five three, and then what color? 43, 0.169. So now I have a slightly lighter shade. Yeah, okay. Okay, I got what the looks I needed. Right, so basically I'm just drawing multiple times, right? Like, what I'm doing is I'm stacking the sprite on top of each other to simulate depth, right? For the debris. I don't like how the debris are spawning though. It seems very like clumped together. I have to tweak the values, I think. Okay. Okay, I think I got what I need. Obviously, I will also need to work on the smaller debris. Should I? Should I sleep or should I work on this? Decisions. Let me work on the smaller ones. Something like this. I think this should be small enough. This should be small enough. Okay. So for now, I think I'm going to just copy the entire implementation here. I don't like copy and pasting. I think it's a bad idea, but since I'm going to refactor this soon anyways, I will just copy and paste the drawing code. Draw here, paste. Right, I'll be refactoring this. Of course, I need to change this. Right, I go to images, import street image, push it downwards. Yes, there we go. And then, would this alone work? Is this enough for it to work? No, because I am missing a variable called surface. So I'm gonna do that. I'll run it again, and hopefully this will work properly. Yeah. I should also rotate the small debris actually. So again, I'll copy this, right? And think about refactoring later. Just 2 lines like that. Let's go. There we go. Wait, it's not rotating. Oh, it's because I set the angular velocity to 0. Of course. Let me think. Funny thing is, this part is done. This part is a bit unnecessary. Let me get rid of the sine function. Okay, there we go. This should be good enough. Small debris. Okay. Yeah, it's finally rotating. So one of the things I'll have to do would be to pull all of this debris. Okay, I think I'm done. Let me do a recap. So the recap is I did the message bus, the global message bus, earlier in the stream. Right, so now hopefully I'll be able to write more modular code. Then then I moved on to redraw my debris, and instead of like completely drawing the how do I put it? Previously, I do not like the design, right, of the debris, because they are very flat. They lack depth, right? Uh, uh, so it's not like so it didn't look like this basically, right? So I want that. I want the object to look like it's somewhat three-dimensional, uh, and this doesn't give that impression, that illusion of depth. So so I redid it, right? So this is the new sprite, and as you can see, it's missing a lot of stuff, right? Like what happened to the depth that I was talking about, and what happened to the outline? Well, the thing is, the outline and the depth, all of that is now done in code. So basically, I'm drawing this sprite multiple times. The first two times is for the depth, right? It's for this area here. I color it, and then I draw the final sprite on top. That's what I did. Afterwards, I applied the outline shader, and that seemed to work. Whether that is going to be performance intensive, I do not know. But I intend to. I intend to find out. Yeah. Right. So just look again. Right. And that. So it looks a bit more real now. Okay, and that's it. That's the two main things that I've done. And let's see. Yeah, that's the two main things that I've done. And tomorrow I'll be back to work on my project. I could be working on this, or I could be working on my platformer project. One of these, either one will do. I just want to make sure that I have consistent progress on either projects. Yeah, let me see. Let me take a look at my to-do list. So basically, I'm done with the global message pass, right? So that just means I need to make use of it now. I need to make use of it. I've written it. I should now make use of it. Okay. My debris, I still want to touch it up a little bit. So I'll say almost done. And then next up for this project would be the collision and the hitbox matrix. Yeah, and that's it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out. Right, I really appreciate everyone's feedback, and I'll be back to work again on the project really soon. Thank you.